wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream. This one. There. And this one. Oh, I can't wait to show Olivia. I'm sure she's gonna be excited for me to show her.
Sandcastle monster! Sandcastle monster! That was great! Wow, that was really cool, Noah. Thank you. Sandcastle monster! Sandcastle! Roar! Oh.
That was not nice. I worked on this for a whole hour. A whole hour, and you just broke everything that I did. I wanted to show you what I did, and then you just broke it?
Oh, but...
That's not nice. You know what?
But...
I don't like playing with you.
Oh!
Bye.
But no...
Bye.
No, I didn't... Oh, no, Noah. Oh, no. Oh, no, guys. Oh. Hey, kids. Hi. I broke Noah's sandcastle, and I think I made him really sad and mad. And I didn't mean to. Oh. I meant to break it. I was trying to just have fun and play a game. I thought he'd like it. What do you think we should do? I know. Let's build the sandcastle again. We can build it for Noah, and then he can just... We'll build it all the way, except for the last piece. And then he can put the last piece on the tower. And that way he can finish his sandcastle again, and I won't break it. Nope. I will let it stand forever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever until the water washes up the shore and makes a moat around. Okay, so let's build a sandcastle for Noah. Okay. And take that one. And let's see. All right. And then let's get this one. And okay. Yeah, I can get a lot of them. Okay, those ones. And these ones. And the pink one. I need them all. Okay. Whew. He's right. Building a sandcastle does take a long time. Okay. We're going to make Noah so happy. He's going to be so surprised that we built this sandcastle for him. Okay, and we'll do that one in a second once I get more sand pieces. Okay, so I'll get these ones. And, I want that orange one and the purple one. Okay, orange and purple. All right, and, okay. All right, so we got all our pieces. I don't remember which colors he put where, so we can't do it that way, but... Okay, so we'll do orange on top of the white, and then I'm going to move the pink, and this is hard. It's easier with Noah. He has lots of practice because he really likes to make sandcastles, so he's done this lots of times. Okay, and then that one there, and let's put this one, yeah, we'll put this one right on top of the orange one. Oh no, I'm gonna put it on top of the blue one. Wait, right there. Okay. Yeah. And then we're gonna grab. Oh man. He's right, this is gonna take an hour. Okay guys, I need lots of help from you. So tell me, blue on top of yellow. Green on top of blue. You know what always helps me? It helps me if I hum a song like, working so hard making a sandcastle, put the pink on there, and then I'm gonna grab the pieces. Oh, they're really close together right there. And get around it. Climb over the sandcastle and grab just that one. Okay, put that one there. And come over the sandcastle. Yep, and grab that one. Okay, and then we'll put that one right there. I don't think it looks quite as good as Noah's, but I think he's gonna like it. Okay, and now we have to find the spikes. Oh, okay, spikes are over here. Oh, okay, so now let's put this one on top of the pink one, like that. Okay, and then we'll get the last spike and Noah! Hi, Noah! Noah!
I'm not talking to you.
Wait, but Noah, I have a surprise for you. Here, this is the spike to put on the last piece of your sandcastle.
You
I made
built
it.
a castle again?
Yeah, I made it for you because
You
broke
made it for
yours.
me?
Yeah, because there you go. Can you put it on for me?
I can.
Yeah. Yeah. There you go. I'm
That was
sorry.
very nice.
Yeah.
Here, why don't you have some of my coconut water?
Oh, thank you. Ooh,
Wow, that's pretty cool.
that's delicious. That's really good coconut
You built
water.
this all by yourself?
Yeah, it's not quite as good as yours, but I never built a sandcastle before.
It's
It
pretty
did take
fun,
a long-
isn't it?
Yeah, it was really fun, but it did take a long time. You were right.
Yeah, it took me a long time.
Yeah, it took me a long time too. Yeah.
It looks pretty good, but not as good as mine.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I have to practice more to get it as good as yours, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But maybe we can do that more together. But I have to ask you, why did you break my castle?
Because breaking a sandcastle is so much fun. I know that you really liked building the sandcastle, Noah, but you should try breaking it. You really should, because breaking a sandcastle is even more fun than building it. It's so amazing. Just be a sandcastle monster and do it. Yeah, do it. Yay! Wasn't that great?
Oh, that is
Yeah,
fun.
see? You want to break the rest?
Can I?
It's your castle. I have to ask you. You get to do whatever you want with your castle. Sandcastle monsters! Roar! Roar!
That was fun.
Yeah. See?
Oh,
Well, that's great, isn't it?
now I understand that why you broke my castle.
Yeah. I should have asked, but see?
But that's true. It wasn't nice because you came in and I just
Yeah.
finished it and it took me hours and then you just broke
Yeah.
it. And I was very sad and mad.
Yeah,
I was
I know.
very mad at you.
Yeah, I'm really sorry that I made you mad at me.
That's okay. It was very nice of you to build me a castle again.
Yeah, thank you.
And it was even nicer for you to let me break it.
It was your castle. I built it for you. So you got to do what you wanted with it.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Thanks, Olivia.
So what should we... You know what would be really
High
fun?
five.
High five.
That's
Yeah.
cool. Yeah.
You know what would be really fun?
Should we go swim now?
I was going to say we could build another sandcastle and then break it.
Even better!
Even better!
Yeah, let's do
Okay.
that.
Yeah, let's do it. Okay. So now I have
Okay.
to build it.
Well, we should say goodbye to the kids. I hope you enjoyed our beach episode.
Bye, kids.
We'll continue playing with the sandcastle and build another one.
Yeah, we'll build another one.
But
Thank
remember-
you for coming.
But remember, when you build one,
Mm-hmm.
don't break it. Ask first, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, if you build it, you can break it. But if I build it, you can't break it. And if Noah builds it, I can't break it. And only everybody can break only their own sandcastle.
Exactly.
That's a complicated lesson.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I understand now.
Yeah, I do too.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, kids, we're going to continue building our castle
Yay!
and then go swimming later on. I hope you
Yay!
have fun in your summer beach vacation.
Yeah, have fun at summer beach vacation.
Bye!
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.